Do you have an animal in your life? Do what is best for them. Today we will talk about why it is important to spay and neuter your fur babies. Did you know that there are risk factors and health risks if you do not spay and neuter your animals? Some places will let you spay and neuter as early as 6 weeks of age. This will help lower the rate of breast cancer and testicular cancer. Females, if not spayed, can get a uterine infection called neuter. This can turn into a very life-threatening thing all because your animal is not spayed. This is where the uterus fills up with lots of infection. This is more common in dogs than it is in cats. Did you know that if you do not spay your dogs or cat, that they can also end up with ovarian cancer and uterine cancer? And female dogs and heat last about 3 weeks, so that means you can have some bigger issues on your hands, such as unwanted litters. Now on to neutering your male animals. Did you know that male cat's spray smells horrible? But if you get that baby fixed at an early age, this should stop. And male dogs will travel for miles to find his girlfriend. Without neutering your dog or cat, this can ultimately end up with animals getting in fights or staying gone for weeks at a time. The most important for the male animal is it can reduce the fact of cancer for them also. They are at risk for testicular cancer, but if you neuter your animal, it lowers the risk for prostate problems and can also help with them marking their spot and running off to find their girlfriend. Both spaying and neutering your animals has its upsides. No unwanted litters, it reduces roaming and less risk of getting hit by cars as they like to travel when not spayed or neutered. They will show less aggression, which is linked to mating instincts and territorial behaviors, less risk of cancer and other health issues that come with not being spayed or neutered. There are many places that have spay and neuter clinics. Some will spay and neuter again as early as 6 weeks of age. Call and make your appointment today at your local vet to have your animal spayed or neutered so they can live a long and healthy life.